Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And guys, welcome to another edition of another video whereby we draw different strategy for you guys to trade successful in boom and crash. So today's video is going to base on crash 1000 and crash 500, and I'll bring you guys a best strategy for you guys to see and for you guys to know that this is the right strategy for you guys. So the only thing you can do is to take this strategy, practice it on your demo account, and before using it on your real account. So this is crash 1000. Let me show you the settings of this strategy before I show you how this strategy really works. So we only have two indicator here, which we have our MACD, we have the fast EMA on 70, we have the slow EMA of 26, we have the MACD SMA of 2. Then you have your apply to close, then you have your make color to be green and your signal color to be red. That's exactly all you need. So we have the second moving average, the moving average of period of 10. We have the shift of 0. We have the methods to be exponential. We have apply to close, and we have our green as our color here. Then we have yes, we don't have any level here. Then that is done. So with these two indicators now, you can trade with it successfully. So guys, let me show you how this strategy works on crash 1000 1 minute time frames. So the important thing that you need this strategy for is for you to enter a long period of a long period of uptrend and a long period of downtrend. You can use this to catch up a spike, and you can also use it to sell up for long period of time. As you know that in crash 1000 we do sell in in uptrend, and we do buy when it's come to in uptrend. So I want you guys to see how this strategy works. I'm using the last zoom level here so that you guys can really see. So this is our moving average. We have the moving average of our green here. So we are going to be waiting for this moving average. Anytime it's crossing the MACD on the above histograph, that is the right time for you to enter as a sell entry. You see, at this moment now, is crossing each other at this level, is crossing each other at this level. So this is going to be a downtrend signal for you to catch up. You see, now you can catch up a spike with it. So from this level up to this level, you can catch up your spike, and you can exit your market anytime you see that the green is going out of the histograph on a downtrend. You see that on a downtrend you can go out. Then if you are going to be using this strategy to take a uptrend, then this is how you are going to be taking it. You are going to be looking a down histograph on MACD, a down histograph of MACD like this, like what we have here, a downtrend of histograph on MACD, and you are going to be waiting for your moving average to cross it at this level. You see that when it crosses at this level, then this is the right time for you to enter your market on a buy level. You see that you keep on taking that profit up, and you exit your market when you are seeing that the moving average is leaving the below histograph. You see that. So anytime you are seeing the market, you are seeing the moving average leaving the histograph like what is here, then you exist your market, and you enter at this particular level and you exist it at this particular level on 1 minute time frames. You know how that is going to be. You can just open it with the lowest lot size, which is 0.20, and you can be trading this successfully anytime it's accurate with what we just explained in this video. Let me show you more example of what I'm explaining to you guys. You see, from this particular side now, if you are going to be taking a uptrend market, then you are going to wait for the down histograph to work, and once it's starting giving a downtrend histograph, which is the green that we are having here, and you are going to be waiting for your moving average of 10 that is going to be crossing it also. Once it crosses it, then you enter your market at this level. You enter your market at this level. So when you enter your market at this level, then you keep on waiting till you have your what? Your moving average leaving the above what? Above histograph. Then you are going to be existing your market at this particular time. So no spike is going to affect you if you follow what we just explained in this video. No spike you are going to what? You are going to face. So what you are going to do is to look for the histograph that you are going to be taking on the uptrend or the lower trend. And I told you guys that you can use the same methods to what? To catch up a spike, but it's going to be an upper histograph. You see, this is a below histograph now, and we are having our moving average crossing it at this level. You see, when you cross it at this level, that means you are going to be finding an entry here. Once you find an entry here, then you need to wait for the moving average to what? To leave the histograph before you what? You exit the market. You see, at this particular time now, you see it will leave the market at this area. You see, you are going to be existing at this area. You see that before spike even happen. So guys, that's exactly how it works with this strategy. And I told you guys that you can use this strategy to take up a spike when you have an higher when you have the upper histograph, like what we are having at this particular moment now. You see, this is the upper histograph, and what you just need to wait for your moving average to cross the red line, like what we have here. You see, it crossed the red line at this particular side, and you keep on taking the spike on a downtrend. You see that? So you see, same thing happen here when you are taking it on the uptrend. You see, when they cross each other, you find your entry around there, and you exit your market at this area, because the moving average is going out of the what? Is going out of the down histograph. So that is exactly how it works. So this strategy is what you can use to what? To trade successful on crash 1000 without affecting any spike, or or by taking a spike on consistent basis. You see, this is exactly how what I said. You're going to wait for an upper histograph, and you are going to wait when the moving average cross over it. When it cross over it, it's going to find an entry around there, and you can keep on catching down your spike up to this moment. So this strategy also, it works on crash 500. You can also try it on 500. So let me show you the settings. I've shown you once. So for some people who doesn't grab it, you just screenshot it. You see that? Just screenshot it, and the moving average is this. So you just follow the rules and the guys inside this video. So what you just need is the upper histograph and the lower histograph, and wait for the moving average to cross it over. When it cross it over like this, what we have here, then you will go for your what? Your downtrend. And when it crosses below, then you go for your what? For your uptrend. You see that? You go for your uptrend. So exactly, that's how it works, guys. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also, you can like and comment on this video, share us your experience so far using different strategy on this channel. And also, you can also join our Telegram group for mentorship and for guide. Thanks.